Hi guys, if you want to hide or remove table borders in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. If you have any Google Docs table like this and you want to remove the table borders, for that, first of all, select the tables and then click on this three dot more icon. And now here you will see this option, border width. Simply click on it. And now here select 0 pt. And the table borders will be removed. You can see now there is no table borders and table is as it is. You can see. Let's see one more time. Here is a table. Now to remove the table borders, first of all select the table and then click on this three dot more icon and then click on border width option, and here select the table border 0 and the table border will be removed. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily hide or remove table borders in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.